What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be riding my dirt bike, so hope you enjoy. And if you're wondering what I'm recording on, I have this whole setup. I just mount my phone to it. And tell me if you guys like this POV, because I might be doing more of it, so yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to put my boots on, so yeah. Ugh. Okay, sorry about that view. Let's put this one on. Okay, I'll put the next one on off camera, so yeah. Okay, guys, so we're at my dirt bike, my beauty. So now I gotta open the door. Yeah, I'm gonna do that off camera because it's kind of hard. You gotta like use this thing and pull that little red thing and pull it back. So I'll do that off camera. Okay, I got my helmet on, got my bikey, and let's go. Okay, guys, we're ready. We good. Look at this view. That's so nice. Okay. I don't know what gear I'm in. Now we in neutral. Okay. I'm gonna turn around. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Before I leave, I'm gonna show you guys some mods I added. So first we got this Honda bar pad. My uncle gave it to me. He just had it and he didn't want it, so yeah. Next is this RPM sticker. Yeah. And I put this little coil, like plastic black piece around my gas breather. Didn't really do anything, but I don't know. I just put it there. Next, I put some Yoshi mirror stickers on. I got the big one, got a little one right here, and the same one right here on the same side. So those are all the mods I've added. Thanks for watching, and peace.